Hi there, students. Barter. To barter as a verb, or barter as a noun. Okay, to barter means to swap, to exchange one thing for another, to exchange goods and services for something that is not money. So he bartered his collection of coins for her collection of beer mats. Okay, to barter. Primitive tribes used the barter system before money and coins came into existence. Okay, so this is to swap, to exchange. Payment in kind is the I think is probably the formal version of to barter. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't got any money, then maybe you could get the things you need by bartering. Yeah, the system of bartering goods. In economies where there is hyperinflation, people very often barter goods rather than buying or selling them for actual money, because the money itself is worthless or may have no value tomorrow. So to barter, to trade, to exchange one thing for another. Yeah, but I think the main idea of to barter is without the use of money. Notice as well, you can barter for something, and this is to negotiate the price or the conditions of something, to haggle, to bargain. So I managed to barter down the price that he was asking. I spent all afternoon bartering with him to get the deal that I wanted. Okay, so here you're discussing the terms and conditions and reaching an agreement about price. But when you actually buy it, that's not to barter if you're paying for it with money. Okay, so to barter, to exchange things, to exchange one commodity for another, to trade a service for the goods on offer. If you give me 3 kilos of those strawberries, I will work for you for 2 hours. Yeah, so it's exchanging things. If you don't have any money, then you're going to have to barter. Yeah, maybe you could barter your work for food. If you don't have any money, and people generally don't have any money, then maybe you could barter your work for food. To exchange, a quid pro quo, a swap, a trade, a trade-off. Yeah, primitive tribes used a system of barter, and the explorers took beads with them to barter for the wonderful things that the natives had. Okay, so this is just an exchange without money taking place, payment in kind. Yeah, and then to barter, to negotiate about the price of something. Yeah, we had no money, so we had to live by using a system of barter. Yeah, to barter. She bartered a bunch of flowers for half a pound of honey. Okay, so to barter, to swap. Let's take some things with us and see if we can barter them for some of the goods on sale. Yeah. So in a market, you want to sell or barter your goods as you can. So to barter, formality. I would probably give it a 6 in formality, but you could use it anywhere. It's a regular verb. He bartered his watch for lunch. He has bartered various items. And as to origin, okay, it comes from the old French word barter, meaning to barter. Yeah, so it's an easy one to use. To swap, to trade, to exchange, a quid pro quo, payment in kind. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Barter.